How to fix iPhone battery drain problems. Let's get started. Firstly, you want to check battery usage. For that, launch settings. Now navigate to the option battery. Head over to the option battery usage. Now in this page, you're going to find the list of the apps that are consuming the battery from the most to the least. So what you're going to do is uninstall the app or limit using these apps. Then enable low power mode. For that, head back. Navigate to the option battery. Click on the option power mode. Now enable for this option low power mode. This limits background activity, mail fetch, visual effects. Next up, head back, navigate to the option general. Click on the option background app refresh. Now you can set it to off or Wi-Fi only. Then head back. Go back to the main page of settings. Then navigate to the option privacy and security. Click on the option location services. Set it to off or limit location services for the apps you don't use. Next up, reduce screen brightness and auto lock. For that, head back. Navigate to the option display and brightness. Check in for the option dark mode. Likewise, you're going to find the option of auto brightness. Enable for that option. Then click on the option auto lock. Set it to 30 seconds. Next, update iOS. For that, head back. Now navigate to the option general. Click on software update. If any updates are available, just update it to its latest version. Lastly, you can check the battery health. If maximum capacity is low, like below 80%, or it says service recommended, your battery is tired, visit Apple for a replacement. So these are some fixes for iPhone battery drain issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.